Hey everyone, welcome back to tenorshare. If you're trying to transfer your WhatsApp from Android to iPhone without losing data or resetting your device, you've come to the right place. Here is a full guide on how to transfer WhatsApp data with iCareFone transfer. Let's dive in. iCareFone can seamlessly transfer over thousands of WhatsApp messages between different devices. And it's easy to use. So once you've installed it, you can follow along with these steps. Start by connecting both your Android and iPhone to your computer using USB cables. When both devices are connected, open iCareFone Transfer and select WhatsApp as the app to transfer. Make sure the direction of transfer is set to Android to iPhone. If it isn't, you can easily reverse it with just one click. Now, click Transfer to get started. If prompted, you'll need to enable USB debugging on your Android phone. If it did not shown on your phone, you can follow the on-screen guide to open the USB debugging on Android. This allows your device to communicate with your computer for advanced operations. All you need to do is open Developer Mode to enable USB debugging. Next, you'll need to create a 64-digit encrypted backup on your Android device. Open WhatsApp on your Android. Go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, and turn on End-to-End Encrypted Backup. Select the 64-digit encryption option, and WhatsApp will generate a unique code for you. Make sure to save this code by taking a screenshot or photo, as you'll need it shortly. Then go back to create a backup. Now head back to iCareFone Transfer on your computer. It will get all the messages downloaded on your computer. After that, you'll have the option to choose the types of data you want to transfer, whether it's text messages, voice notes, photos, or even stickers. Select what you need and hit Continue. And log in your account on your iPhone. Once logged in, click Login on iCareFone. Then your WhatsApp data will be transferred, your iPhone will restart, and nothing will be lost on your iPhone. You can now see that all your chats, media, and even stickers have been perfectly migrated. It's an incredibly simple process, and most importantly, there's no risk of data loss. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.